Good morning, hai guys, dimanapun Anda berada, semoga sehat selalu dan bahagia. Hari ini weekend, hari Minggu, bangunnya agak telat karena Minggu free time, jadi istirahat, family time. Jadi kalau hari Sabtu Minggu saya nggak jadi upi abu, jadi saya bisa bersantai-santai ria, bisa bangun sih, pokoknya seenak-enaknya. Karena kalau hari Sabtu Minggu suami saya yang incas masuk dapur. Mulai dari sarapan, makan siang maupun makan malam, dia yang masak dan beres-beres. Jadi Sabtu Minggu itu hari libur saya sebagai ibu rumah tangga. Kan gantian biar nggak bosen kan ya, kalau hari-hari biasa kan masakan Asia terus kalau weekend masakan barat. Oke, biar ganti-gantian berubah peran. Jadi kalau hari Sabtu Minggu saya istirahat. Yes. Kayaknya itu di dapur udah celentang bunyinya. Mau lihat suami saya bikin sarapan, dia masak apa aja, sarapan ala British, karena bukan sarapan ala Asia. Kalau ala Asia cukup hari Senin sampai Jumat. Kalau Sabtu Minggu makanan ala Barat. Oke, jadi kita saksikan suami saya memasak. Jadi mandor aja. Oke. Kayaknya itu ribut banget tuh di dapur. Mudah-mudahan dapur saya udah nggak berantakan. Yes. Yes, sweetheart. Good morning, sweetheart.
Morning.
What are
Breakfast
you doing?
time.
Yes.
So, we have baked beans, eggs, tomatoes, and some turkey rashers.
Fantastic.
So, if you'd like to sit down, I'll prepare you some breakfast.
Oke. Enak ya kalau hari Minggu, Sabtu Minggu saya duduk santai aja, duduk manis saja, tinggal nunggu makanan sudah jadi. Bukan begitu, sweetheart. Mari kita lihat dia masak. Oke. Hari Sabtu Minggu tugas suami saya yang masuk dapur. Dia yang menguasai dapur. Sweetheart.
Hello.
Sekarang dia mulai dari pagi bikin breakfast.
Excuse me.
Jadi emaknya istirahat. Are you busy?
I'm busy cooking you some breakfast.
Thank you. This is why when I in the bed I can hear you ting tung ting tung ting tung.
Yes, clunk, clunk,
Klung
clunk.
klung klung klung.
Yes.
Dia sibuk masak. Saya baru bangun tidur tadi dengar tang ting tung di dapur. What you have for me, sweetheart?
You're having turkey.
Turkey. Yes.
Turkey rashers,
Okay, and then
some beans, some egg,
and then
tomato,
and
toast.
good. Make sure I'm very strong.
Yes. And I think
Lihat dia masak apa coba.
Dallas has decided to have some poached eggs.
That's one poached egg.
He does.
All right, good.
Okay, just have to wait now. Just a quick spot of the. There you go. That's it. That's all you need.
That is poached egg with the vinegar.
Bring the water to boil. Stir. Isn't it? The water, by stirring, wraps the egg to stop the egg going. Careful. Okay. Up an egg in for mummy as well then.
He is very good cooking for me in the morning. He's very good
Is that right?
cooking.
Yes, very good cook in the morning.
Make sure I'm big and strong and tall.
That's it, yes, if you can make it grow a little bit.
Grow through it.
Excuse me.
Okay. Toast and bean. Ini roti dengan bean dan what is that, sweetheart?
This is a poached egg, which Dallas loves.
Dallas suka poached egg dan bean and toast.
And mummy's is coming along as well.
Wow.
There you go,
Mommy. Thank you,
Turkey,
sweetheart.
egg, beans, tomatoes, and your toast is on its way.
Thank you, sweetheart. That is Dallas. That is Mommy.
You said you wanted a poached egg. Oh, you want
Oh,
some?
yes,
Oh,
okay.
you can have some of that.
Thank
Yeah.
you, Daddy.
Good boy. Shall I push you in? You alright? Okay then. You want some sauce? What do you want? Red sauce or brown sauce?
Brown sauce.
You want some brown? Okay. There we go. A little bit of brown there. Do you want some sauce on yours as well, Mummy?
No, thank you.
Where would you like it? Where do you want the sauce? Just on the side there. How's that?
It's not like a muddy puddle.
It is. Just like a big muddy puddle.
Sekarang saya makan dulu, sarapan dulu. Sarapannya ala Inggris. Ada telur, ada halal turkey, bean, tomat, dan toast. Okay. Sweetheart, thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Okay.
As long as got to make Dallas big and strong, haven't I?
And also mommy.
And Mummy taller. You need to be big and strong because we're going swimming.
Enak kalau makanan udah tersedia, ya nggak perlu repot-repot kayak Upi Abu gantian. Sarapannya udah habis, ludes, des.
Unbelievable.
Now let's go.
Let's go. Where are we going? How about you, Dal? You almost finished.
No, I don't want.
You don't want any more? Okay. Is Mommy finished already? Oh, another one, sweetheart.
You have to edit.
Oh. Oh my God. I thought it's finished. Another one. Hasbron. Kayaknya
It'll be very hot.
Kayaknya dia mau bikin saya gemuk juga.
It'll be very hot.
Hasbron lagi sih, udah habis padahal.
I
Unbelievable.
know, I forgot they were in the oven.
Dallas, you want hasbron, Dal? Makanan juga selesai. Habis ini mau pergi ke Healthy and Lifestyle Club. Jadi mau berenang. Di sana itu ada tempat untuk berenang, ada untuk gym, tenis, squash. Biasanya kalau hari Minggu kami pergi ke sana renang, gym, dan tenis biar sehat di hari Minggu. Nanti saya ajak tur ke Healthy and Lifestyle Club. Sekarang kami sudah di klub, jadi Boston Priority Club. Kami siap-siap mau renang. Oke. Swimming pool. Itu tempat laki-laki, ini tempat perempuan. Saya siap-siap mau ganti baju buat renang. Oke. Saya nggak bisa video-video di kolam renang karena nggak boleh. Halo.
Hello,
Maybe it was fat.
Yes, you win. Look at that. What you order?
Fat.
Fab
And a coffee.
and a coffee. Okay, so how you shower by yourself?
Smell me have soap.
Let's mommy smell your soap. Oh, it's nice smell. You
Smell my hair.
Smell your hair. Okay. Nice
Smell my back.
Smell your back. Oh, nice smell. Very gorgeous as always. Okay. Sudah selesai renangnya. Semuanya sudah siap-siap menungguin saya. Oke. Ini adalah lounge atau ruangan khusus untuk family. Jadi bisa order makanan juga di restorannya. Ini ada pool room buat anak-anak, buat keluarga, ada lounge-nya. Itu lapangan tenisnya. Lapangan tenisnya ada banyak di sana di belakang. Terus itu tempat parkirnya luas banget. Dan biasanya ini internasional tenis juga di sini. Ini ada tempat poolnya. Itu adalah club shop-nya di bagian bawah, di lantai bawah. Di lantai atas sana adalah gym, tempat gym. Itu adalah restorannya. Keren banget deh. Tamannya, tenisnya juga di sana.
Oh, okay. Wiggle your foot then.
Magic, good boy Dallas. You magic.
Okay, I'll close it.
Okay. Magic.
Oh, magic.
Kami berhenti dulu ke supermarket. Is it right, Daddy?
It certainly is. We've got to get some vegetables and some lamb for Daddy to cook for tea tonight.
Okay, and what else?
What else now?
What else? What else you want to buy?
Mushrooms.
And broccoli.
Broccoli. Oh, that'd be vegetables.
Vegetable.
Now we
All right,
get
so let's
it
we
out.
go.
It's too sunny. Oh, yeah, they
Give to Daddy. Where is Daddy? Over there, Daddy. Come on. You want help, Daddy?
No, I can't go.
Dinner time. Dinner time. My
Okay.
husband cooking.
Again, have you noticed the theme? Daddy's always cooking. Okay, so
What you cooking, sweetheart?
we have broccoli,
Okay.
cauliflower, we also have some more broccoli and some peas.
Ooh, vegetable.
We'll go on to there as well. In the oven,
No, it is in the oven.
we have a nice piece of lamb,
Wow.
shoulder of lamb, that part, very nice.
Is it really big lamb?
It's a very big piece, which has been seasoned, tin foil to keep the flavour in. And 10 minutes to go, take it off, which will brown it off a little bit, but you keep the tenderness and the juices inside. Potatoes and so on, roast potatoes will go on a little bit later. So if you look in the oven, I've taken the wrap off the oven, off the lamb, sorry. So now that will brown very nicely for about another 20 minutes. I've got some roast potatoes. I don't cook them from fresh because I'm a bit of a cheese. But I can always say, Aunt Bessie's, the best roast potatoes in the world. So, once they go in the oven for 25 minutes, 30 if you like them a little bit more crunchy. Job done. I'm going to get the lamb out in the oven. It's called, we let it rest, we let it cool a little bit, easier to cut, and obviously it tastes a little bit better. Close the door up because the potatoes are still in there, and same again. Finish my cup of coffee off and just wait for 5 minutes.
Okay. Look yummy, sweetheart. Make me hungry. Where is my dinner? Where is my dinner? Where is my dinner?
Nothing coming.
Nothing coming. Hungry. Are you hungry?
But the
It's
plates
coming.
are.
Oh God. Again. Makes daddy dizzy. Where is my dinner? Where is my dinner? Where is my dinner? Daddy dizzy dong.
Yes, Sarah.
Lapar, harum baunya enak. Let's see. Bikin lapar. Deco Sunday lunch, padahal buat dinner. Ini ada lamb, brokoli, peas,
But don't like
at-
peas.
ada apa ini, cauliflower dan roasted potato. Inilah makanan tradisionalnya orang Inggris kalau hari Minggu. Biasanya mereka makan bersama keluarga, menunya Sunday roast atau Sunday lunch. Walaupun makan di siang hari atau di malam hari seperti ini. Nice. Saya makan dulu.
Put the white seed.
Jadi kalau saya masak, saya nyucinya pakai mesin cuci piring. Tapi kalau suami saya yang masak, dia nyuci pakai manual, pakai tangan. Dia rajin bener ya. Thank you, sweetheart, for today from breakfast and lunch. No, we didn't have lunch because our tummy is full. We just have a fruit with us,
Yes,
and
right.
then dinner is full dinner also.
Correct.
Fantastic. So, my day off is finished tonight, and tomorrow I will become Upi Abu. So tomorrow, jadi besok saya akan bertugas.
Come on, get out of my kitchen. Come on.
Okay. Jadi kalau dia di dapur, kami nggak boleh ke dapur karena dia incas di dapur. Jadi besok saya incas di dapur mulai dari Senin sampai Jumat lagi. Oke. Terima kasih sudah setia dan menonton channel Uni Leisure. Saksikan video-video menarik lainnya yang akan datang. Dan jangan lupa subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Good night. Selamat malam. Yes. What?
Good night.
Good night.
Night, everybody.
Night. Udah malam hari, waktunya tidur. Sampai jumpa besok.